Hello viewers, today I'll show you a very easy, spicy and healthy chicken and vegetable stew recipe that is perfect for the winter months. For this recipe, I'll be using 6 to 8 chicken legs and a bit of chicken skin to add some extra flavor to the stew. 7 to 8 peeled carrots, 2 medium-sized quartered tomatoes, 4 white onions cut into halves, some quartered bell peppers or shimla mirch, and some halved potatoes, a handful of chopped coriander and 2 chopped leeks which are optional, 6 to 7 large cloves of garlic and 4 jalapeno peppers or ordinary peppers, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Blend all of them together to make the spice mixture for this recipe. In a large pot, pour some oil and add a bit of the blended spice mixture to the bottom of the pot. Then add the potatoes like I am doing here into the pot. We are going to layer the pot with the vegetables and the chicken. Just follow the process that I am showing here. First go the potatoes, then the carrots, followed by the onions, the ball peppers or the shimla mirch, the cloves of garlic, the leeks, the coriander leaves, then sprinkle some of the spice mixture over the vegetables. You can adjust the spices to your own taste and put less if you want. Put the tomatoes in as well. And now it's time to put the chicken legs inside the pot like I'm doing here. Place a bit of the chicken skin in the middle. Basically, we are layering the stewing pot with vegetables and chicken, making sure that the hardest vegetables are at the bottom. The potatoes need to be at the very bottom. Follow the process that I am showing here to get your stock pot ready. This is the second layer of vegetables on top of the chicken, followed by chicken at the very top. And a few vegetables. Now sprinkle the spice mixture on top. You can choose not to make it as spicy as I have. Put some oil on top. Also a bit of water along the sides of the pot to get a steam going to cook the potatoes at the very bottom. Now put the lid on, light the gas and cook on very low flame for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, take the lid off and give the pot a mix. This is a bit difficult, but you need to give the pot a mix so that everything cooks evenly. As you can see, there's plenty of water in the pot. And now we are going to put the lid on and cook on low flame for another 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take the lid off. As you can see, our nutritious chicken and vegetable stew is ready. Let's plate up our delicious stew. It's extremely flavorful and very nutritious winter warmer recipe that is full of protein and vitamins. It is very easy to make and you can customize it according to your own taste of vegetables and seasonings. Give my chicken and vegetable stew a try this winter. Enjoy!